In the growing community of Maricopa, as homeowners know that doors are more than simple entryways, they're vital to security, comfort, and the overall aesthetic of a house. Whether you're replacing an outdated front door, upgrading patio doors, or investing in a full home door replacement, making informed decisions can save time, money, and stress. This ultimate guide to door installation for Maricopa homeowners walks you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right materials to understanding the benefits of professional installation. Why door installation matters in Maricopa. Maricopa's desert climate brings scorching summers, monsoon rains, and dust storms. Doors play a key role in protecting your home from these environmental challenges. Energy efficiency. Properly installed doors reduce air leaks, helping your HVAC system work more efficiently. Security. A solid installation prevents intruders from exploiting weak points. Curb appeal. The right door design enhances your home's exterior and boosts resale value. A door installation isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a functional barrier that performs well in Maricopa's climate. Choosing the right door for your home before installation begins, it's important to select the best door style and material for your needs. Front entry doors. Popular choices include fiberglass for durability, steel for maximum security, and wood for timeless elegance. Patio doors. Sliding glass doors save space, while French doors offer a more traditional look. Interior doors. Hollow core doors are budget-friendly, while solid core doors add soundproofing and longevity. For Maricopa homeowners, fiberglass and steel doors are often preferred because they withstand heat, resist warping, and require minimal maintenance. Energy-efficient door options. With Arizona's intense heat, energy efficiency is a top priority. Look for features like insulated cores to block outdoor heat, low-E glass panels that reflect sunlight while letting in natural light, weather stripping systems to seal out dust and drafts. These upgrades can significantly lower cooling costs and make your indoor spaces more comfortable year-round. Professional versus DIY installation. Some homeowners consider door installation a DIY project, but professional installation comes with clear advantages. Precision fitting. Experts measure and align doors perfectly, preventing gaps and air leaks. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers require professional installation to validate warranties. Local knowledge. Maricopa contractors understand how the desert climate affects doors and frames. While DIY might save on upfront costs, professional installation ensures your investment performs as expected for years to come. The installation process. What to expect. A professional door installation typically follows these steps: assessment and measurement. Your installer evaluates the opening to ensure proper sizing. Removal of the old door. The existing door and frame are carefully taken out. Frame preparation. Any damage or warping is repaired, and the opening is leveled. Door installation. The new door is placed, secured, and aligned. Sealing and finishing. Weather stripping, insulation, and trim are added to complete the installation. Most standard door installations can be completed in a few hours, minimizing disruption to your household. Maintaining your new doors. To maximize the lifespan of your new doors, regular maintenance is key. Inspect weather stripping and replace it if worn. Clean glass panels with non-abrasive cleaners. Lubricate hinges and locks to ensure smooth operation. Repaint or refinish wood doors periodically to protect against the elements. These simple steps keep your doors looking and functioning like new. Final thoughts for Maricopa homeowners. Door installation is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and safety. By selecting the right materials, prioritizing energy efficiency, and relying on professional installation, you can ensure your doors are ready to stand up to Arizona's unique climate. If you're considering a replacement, now is the perfect time to explore your options. With the right doors and expert installation, your Maricopa home will not only look better but also perform better for years to come.